Hello everyone, welcome back to RGB Links channel. This is Charles. Today's webinar we're going to tell you what's new about Minimix, the web server control. So in some cases you want to remote control the Minimix and the PDZ camera, you can use this function. It's very useful for your remote control. So let's check out the Minimix. So in first, if you want to use the web control, you need to make the Minimix, your computer or your laptop or your smartphone in a SAN network. So we need to check the IP address of the Minimix. Let's zoom a little bit. So you can see the IP address of the Minimix is 192.168.1.211. So you need to make your laptop or your other devices the IP address in the SAN network segment. So let's check my laptop. So here is the web control interface. Let's go back to the first place to show how to use this function. At first, we need to go to the network setting. Go to the more network options from here and go to the Ethernet. Go to TCP/IPv4. So you also can use the DHCP to obtain an IP address automatically, or you can enter the IP address by yourself. So we enter the 192.168 and 145. Okay. So back to the Google, and we need to enter the IP address of the Minimix. So we are already into the Minimix web server control interface. From here, we can see we have the multi-view page from here in the middle, and the right side we can see the transition and PIP and chroma key views output setting. So let's check out this one by one. The first transition, you can choose a different transition from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 15 different transitions from here, and the picture by picture. So we have the 6 different presets from here, and the last one is to change the 2 layers position. So, and this is the chroma key, and you can use the different color screen, the green screen or blue screen or something else. And the views is the way that we to save the things. So you can save up to 8 different things. And the output, you can see we have the multi-screen and the main output and resolution, push flow and record. The first one is to configuration the output of the Minimix. The multi-view is you can make this output to output main output or multi-view screen or test pattern or the full HDMI input. And the main output is the same as the multi-screen output. You also can configuration it to make it output different signal. And the resolution, it have the basically everything resolution you will be used. So you can use the 1920 times 1080 or the 1080 times 9020. So the push flow, and you can to push the streaming to other platforms and the record. So in our Minimix, we not plug in the USB drive, so you can't see the USB drive from here. The next one is setting. The first one is fans, so you can choose different fan speed level from here. If you think your Minimix is too hot, you can push the level to the level 4. And today we use the auto mode. That's enough. Here, the system, you can see the device information from here. So the device name and the SCN number and the device version. You can see we use the 2.0 and 5 from here, the latest version. And you also can upgrade Minimix from here. You just need to one USB drive with the update files. And we can to configuration the IP address of Minimix from here. So and you can enable or disable the DHCP function in the mode. So and we have the Bluetooth. So you can to enable or disable the Bluetooth function from here. You can use the Bluetooth such as the wireless microphone or your smartphone or something else. And you can choose different language from here. We have Chinese and English. And let's take a look about this in the button. So the first one is menu, and here is the scenes we saved. So you can load the scenes from here, the 8 different scenes, and click here. You can make the preview full screen, and click here. You can make the program full screen, and click here. We will back to the multi-view. And here is something different with Minimix, the main panel. So in Minimix, you can to configuration the 5 different layers: the background, overlay, logo, and layer A and layer B. From here, you only can configuration the 3 different layers: the background, layer A, and layer B. So you can change the different background, or you enable or disable here. And you can change the layer A's from the different signal, also layer B. And you want to remote control the PC camera, the webserver control also can do this. So we have the full HDMI input, just like the Minimix itself. So the HDMI 2, we connect it with View PDD camera, so you can enter the IP address of the PC camera but you need to make sure the PC camera's IP address is the same as the Minimix and your laptop. If you use the PC camera is from the different brand like Sony or different brand PC camera, you need to enter the IPv6 port in here, because the different PC camera has a different IPv6 port. So if you don't do that, you can't control the PC camera. Also, you can use the 4 different presets in the left button and the right button, sorry. And the left button is the control. It can make you can control the PC camera. And the last one is the audio control interface. So you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 8 channel audio input, including the 2 mic in and 1 line in and 1 Bluetooth and 4 HDMI embedded audio input. You also can enable or disable the audio input from the preview or the program. And the audio follow videos function is available from the web control interface from here. And you can control the 2 audio outputs, and the left one is the preview. The right one is the program audio input output. So it's all the things with the Minimix web control interface. And if you don't want to use the web control function with your smartphone, you only need to do this. Let's check out this. So we are already connected the Wi-Fi in the same network of the Minimix. So let's go to the web control interface. We only need to enter the IP address of the Minimix. You can see we are into the web control here, the same pages of the laptop. You also can do everything just like the laptop. So basically, if you want to remote control Minimix, you don't need a laptop. You only need a router and one cell phone. That's okay. So that's all for today's webinar. See you next time.